I'm Kim Ivy, and this is my problem, number 2 problem for chapter 8. We're going to find the vertex and the axis of symmetry for y equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 8. Our A will equal negative 1, our B will equal negative 2, and our C will equal 8. And then we'll graph after we find the axis, the vertex, and the y-intercept. So for the axis, we're going to do negative b 2 times a. So negative b is negative 2 over 2 times negative 1. This will give us negative 1 times negative 2 will give us 2, and 2 times negative 1 will give us negative 2. And this will equal one, but it will be a negative 1. So our axis is x equals negative 1. Our axis is also our vertex, our x coordinate of the vertex, which is right here, negative 1. So now we're going to find the y coordinates of the vertex, and to do that, we're going to plug in x to find y into our equation. So we'll have negative times negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 plus 8. Negative 1 times negative 1 squared is going to be negative 1. 2 times negative 1 will be positive 2, and then we have our plus 8. This will give us negative 1 plus 2 will give us 1, then we'll have plus 8, and that will, y will equal 9. So our y coordinate is going to be 9 on our vertex. Now we're just going to find 2 more points. We're going to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept is to plug in 0 for x. So that will be negative 0 squared minus 2, 0 plus 8. These cancel out, and so our y-intercept, y will be 8. So that will be started at 0, x is 0, and y is at 8. Okay, now we're going to plot these points. Our axis of symmetry is negative 1, so that's this line right here. Our vertex is negative 1, 9. So we go over 1, negative 1, and up 9. There's our vertex. And our y-intercept is 0 here on x, and up to 8. That would be our y-intercept. Then we found another point that mirrors it because of this line of symmetry. And because the problem has an a value of negative, it is going to go down. And so this is the answer to our problem, and here's our graph. Thank you.